feeling? Sensational. Yeah. What didn't I do for you, girl? And I know, and I know, and I know I still feel for you. Love like a riddle, yeah. Give me that cruise on a riddle.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we're doing a really quick and easy hair tutorial today. So as you can see, I have this beautiful curly hair in, and this is actually a half wig. I have it linked below, and I'm going to show you guys how I installed it. It's really easy. Okay, so we're going to start with our braid down, and we're going to part out our leave out. So all of that I'm parting out in the front is going to be my leave out. I tried to do minimal leave out, but still enough to where it's still looking full in the front. It's up to you how much you leave out. I just chose to do this small section here. I'm going to part out the same amount of the hair on the other side as well. So now that we've sectioned our leave out, you're going to make 2 more sections behind your leave out, and these are going to be your anchor braids. So your anchor braids are actually what the clips in the wig are going to hook onto. I choose to do them sideways like this just for a more secure fit, and it also reduces the tension that's going to be on your hair. So it's not going to be pulling out your hair or anything like that, and the wig is not going to move. Okay, so once you're done, this is what your braid down should look like. You should have your 2 anchor braids, and I just braid the rest of my hair straight back. Because the hair is thick and curly, you're not going to be able to see the braids, so I just put them up in a little bun and then put on my wig cap. Now I'm just going to prep my leave out for styling. I always like to go in with my edge booster wax stick and my hot comb just to get the edges really silky and prepared for curling. And I want to go ahead and show you guys the wig. This is the half wig that I got from Outre. It is a synthetic wig. It comes with clips in the front, clips in the back, as well as an adjustable strap. I loved the hair. It was only about 20 bucks and it was perfect for vacation. I'm going to show you guys how I hook it on. This is what I meant when I was saying I hooked the front clips on those anchor braids, and baby, the hair will not move. So now all we have to do is style the leave out so that it blends well with our half wig. I am using my 1/2 inch curling wand by Bedhead. I will also link that down below. I got it from Amazon. And I'm curling the hair forward, like not backwards, but towards the camera. And now that my leave out is all curled, I'm just going to fluff out the curls to blend in with the wig with my fingers as so. I do realize that the color is a little bit off. It showed up more on camera than in person, but like I said, this was a last minute hairstyle. I didn't have time to order one online. I just had to work with what they had in store. Now I will say I'm not such a big fan of dramatic baby hairs on a wig, but my natural baby hairs eat. So I'm actually going to do some big swoops with my baby hair on both sides. I'm just using the edge booster edge control and a little edge brush that I got from the beauty supply store.
24 shows in a month. Good day that time it was crunch. Ice, diamonds is crush. Louis V, but my t-shirt is top. Yeah, cold as a slush. Belly rinse on sipping a test. Go get it a must. Fuck up good and up pussy no must. Yeah, love and I lust. My cool lawyer, we trusted in us. Yeah, money need up. Get that shit out there, gun in the mud. Yeah, look at it glisten.
Now y'all look at that. Y'all can't tell me that this hair does not eat down. It's gorgeous. For $20, the perfect vacation hair. You can wear it on either side. You can even do a half up, half down if you're feeling fancy. Really, the next step is optional, but I always like to go in and shape curly hair just so that it gives it some body and it really frames your face. So like I said, I grab a pair of scissors and I go in and do some light layers throughout the wig.
Cash running over, I can feel the greed. I had 200 for lunch. Last night I put on a cunt. 24 shows in a month. Good day that time it was crunch. Ice, diamonds is crush. Louis but my t-shirt is top. Yeah, cold as a slash. Belly wrist on, sipping that test. Go get it up, must. But go good enough, pussy no must.
And yeah, you guys, this is pretty much the finished look of the hair. I told you it was super easy, very versatile. This is me trying, you know, some half up, half down styles. I just loved it. I actually wore this hair doing some island hopping in St. Bart's, Anguilla. Got a lot of compliments on it. And yeah, it was perfect. Let me know if you guys check it out. It'll be linked down in the bio. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.